Hello traders, good evening and welcome to Omega Stock Pro. This is our next week Nifty technical analysis video, and this is the daily time frame which I have taken, and I want to show you one important thing. So this is RSI 14 period and this is 37 period RSI, and these are two lines, if you are watching my videos continuously. This is the line which I generally use for in hourly time frame, so that for short term it is very clear. Now the daily time frame also has gone to the upper side here itself, you can see here, and then the market gave a very good breakout around 1,000 points from here. Okay, so the analysis works, even the indicators work. Thing is that uh, what parameters we have to add for which time frame, that is very important. So what is the general scenario for next week is that market is in uptrend. One thing we know that FIIs also are buying through P notes, they are buying. As long as our government is not putting any restriction on them, this buying will continue. Okay, but we need to see that before this momentum continues, generally there will be a big stop loss hunting. We don't know how much the stop loss will be entered, and they will close their position, and after that what generally will happen is uh, even our domestic players and retail traders will be continuously buying in the market, and the players who have bought at the lower prices, that is around 10,000 to 13,000, the FIIs or other players, whatever they are, and they will probably start booking their profit slowly because it is very good profit now they are holding. And if this momentum continues, there will be one stop loss hunting. So because why I am saying is, just let me go to the uh, back testing point. Here it has come and we can see there was a stop loss hunting, and here actually the momentum did not go. And let me tell you, here you can see in the daily time frame there was a very good breakout, so around in 2011 or something, and market came down and there was a very good momentum on the upside. What will happen, people will think that uh, probably like little traders like me and the small players, those are booking profit, those who bought at the higher levels now, so those people will not have courage to buy at the lower levels where there will be volatility. You can nowadays also you can see the volatility, simply market is going 200 points in the range, it is the normal range has become 200 points because of volatility. So we must be alert here. We must not fear in this market. If you are watching our video for the since around from 7,000 to year itself, we were bullish. Why we were bullish? Because the technical setup was saying like that. So uh, technical setup gives signs earlier when we put the parameters correctly. And if you see the channel also, this is a channel now trading at the higher channel. Here they booked profit. Here this is also a channel, they booked profit, came here. This is also a channel, this is a channel. Now we have to follow the channels. Now if you are going and buying here, it has to give a very steady breakout, and I think that will not happen. Slowly and steadily it will come down and move up. So this trend like this only it has to follow. It has to come down like this. See, here it came, then down, up, down. So in this manner only it has to move. All the way sudden from here to it cannot give a breakout. So people thinking that it will give a breakout straight here around 300 400 points, and next day another 300 400 points. In that way, if a market goes, then the fall will also be severe. So slowly and steadily the volatility must go down. If you see the VIX also, VIX is 10%, either side, either 10% it is going to minus or 10% it is going to plus. So in that VIX scenario we must carefully put our stop loss. At least if you are trading like a professional trader, institutional trader, then you can put a 50 points stop loss, and then you can book 50% or 70% profit in Nifty daily if there is a movement. At least 50 points market is giving. If my question is, if you are trading like an institutional professional trader, if you are trading like a some newbie trader, then it is very difficult to handle this market very quickly. People will lose their capital. Identify the trend in the intraday, what big players are doing, what is their range. I calculate range like that only in bank nifty, and then I take a trade. So if I cannot reveal all those techniques in this video, but overall what I am saying, in my hourly time frame, another setup also, market is going to give a good correction now, and market will consolidate, then it will give a up move as far as my technical analysis. Why I am saying, here we were bearish now around 12,000. You remember this candle? This candle, we saw that market will open gap up and it will come down. Similarly, it came down. Why? Because my one of the technical setup which I use in hourly time frame, that was giving a sell signal. So now the sell signal has generated in this place. So minimum there must be a very good correction, then only market has to move up. All of a sudden every day 300, 400 points, 200 points, then no correction at all. If it is going like that, means let it go, no problem. But that will how can we say, okay, market has to move in a particular pattern and manner and a very which is, market is very highly disciplined. So that is why we have to follow the market's technique. Put a trend line here. If it goes above the trend line also, don't get trapped. Wait for correction at the right place and then buy. And let me go to hourly time frame. Just a moment. Let me zoom it. So this is hourly time frame. We know that market here, it is very bullish, no problem. It came here, made a double bottom. After breaking the double bottom, market went up around 300, 400 points. Now it came. Let market make a double bottom at least. Don't be in urgent and see what is happening, how market is reacting. If that pivot is broken, then you can slowly go, or at least wait. If you buy here, what will happen? If you put the stop loss around 300, 400 points, also stop loss will be triggered. Another thing, market has left lot of gaps. This gap is not fulfilled. This gap is not filled. So market, when it is confident that I am going to fill this gap, then only market leaves a gap. See, market was severely falling here, no? In this point also, we were very much clear that whenever market is making such huge gaps, these gaps will be filled quickly. And around here also, around 10,000, 1200 or somewhere here from 10,700 or something, market is leaving a lot of gaps. Market will leave a gap only when the market is confident that it will come and fill the gap afterwards, today, tomorrow, or day after. A 27 years gap was filled in crude oil just a few months before. So we have to be very much careful while trading at the higher side. If you are an intraday player, identify the trend, put your stop loss and trade. If you are a swing trader, if you have a very good setup which says that, okay, so next week I am going to trade in this way, then it is very beautiful. You can see in the hourly time frame also, this is a shoulder, here it is head, here it is a shoulder, and this price is higher, but if you see the momentum, it has gone down. So what does it mean? Market is going to correct. I am not saying that it will surely correct, but generally 90% of the time it corrects. So we have to wait for a short trade. And while institutional players are buying there, if it is consolidating, buy there, put a stop loss below 30, 40 points, or if you are trading like an institutional trader only, I am saying, then you can say. So for live market updates and all, you can join my free Telegram channel there, and I give calls also. And with your analysis, I think that that will help you. Okay, if you like the video, kindly like it, give a thumbs up, and share with your friends. If you're new to the channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. And I speak very less. on the market. For me, is money coming into our pocket or not? That is the question. I don't want to give you a lot of knowledge which don't make money, useless, nothing, garbage. So I don't want all those things. What gives money is very important for us. What does not give money, all those rubbish, I don't want to speak. Okay, so that is all for now. If you are a very, very new trader, unable to understand the price action and all, kindly learn all those things. Put the right in the comments. I will give very beautiful explanation how to trade like a professional. I don't see any comments, so unable to. I don't know where you are standing, so I am not interested in giving that video also. So thank you for now. Bye bye.